our daily bread. Sharing is important so we all get fed.
Today we have a party, a feast for all, the young and the old and the tall and the small, the rich and the poor and the normal and the odd. We've all got a seat at the table